asking my colleagues their background.
Mark Louis Danlag, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, University of Southern Mindanao, Field Engineer, Makati Development Corporation.
Morena din Bayo, main course, Civil Engineer, tapos University of Luzon, Field Engineer.
Ba't di ka sigurado?
Richmond Plaza po, from BS in Civil Engineering. Graduate ng Naga College Foundation. Position ngayon, project supervisor.
Course, saan graduate position?
Rafael Cese po, Electrical Engineer from Technological University of the Philippines. Nagkatrabaho sa MDC FE1.
Marion Pacifico, BS Industrial Engineering, TIP QC, Makati Development Corporation, QA QC Engineer.